Let's stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over.
I'm bad like the Bobbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Vicky. All of the Bobbies is pretty. All of the Bobbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Yeah. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dog get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they gon' round years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the penny is real. Michael Ryan's for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Letitia.
I charge $500.
How much you charge?
Normally, I charge $500. I'm gonna give you the family discount. I'm gonna give you. So your bill probably won't be about $4.75.
Put it on my tab.
We do cash out, Zelle.
You got PayPal, pay info?
No, PayPal is obsolete.
I was thinking more like pay like once a month type thing.
Once a month, yeah. Give us a payment plan.
Oh, the payment plan. Well, let me call my boss man, because he was under the intention that I was gonna either get cash out or Zelle.
A long life customer. You know? So, well, always have some business.
Always have y'all business.
Yeah. Let's paint a porch. Have I ever painted a porch by myself? No. We're doing it today? Yes. And did it just like that? Also yes. Like that looks actually really good. That looks really good. So I just came back from the grocery store and I wanted to show y'all what I got because I got some really cool things.
Love yours. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
Oh my god, it stinks. Oh, I'm just gonna act like I'm drinking wine. Okay. It's not wine. I think I can do it. If I drink it out my wine cup. First melon of the season.
It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of the niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you'll find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.